So I just scraped off some good soil from there that was left. It was only about a foot high, and I just couldn't get it up manually because it was growing full of grass and weeds. And I would just get a little bit, you know, like just for a pot or just for a few scoops for something. But look at the amount of soil I managed to scrape up. I mean, it's a lot. It's like 3 feet high, this pile. So this will be enough for me for this season, definitely. Just need to move it around and just, you know, kind of destroy the root systems and blend it in with the old soil. This is old soil that I scraped from the top. It's really bad. Gonna mix it together, make a good blend, and then I'm gonna I will not be able to cover it for 6 weeks because the season has started. I'm way overdue, actually. I should have done this weeks ago, but I just got my digger this weekend, a few days ago. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go buy plants, small plants. I'm gonna put them, once I make a nice bed, I'm gonna put my plants, and then I'm gonna cover the whole thing with wood chips. So the only thing I will see will be my new small plants sticking up from the wood chips. And as other weeds are growing out through the wood chips, I will just pull them out. We'll see how it goes during the season, but I'm hopeful. I mean, it's gonna be better than what it was anyway, so cannot go wrong with this. Okay, let's continue.